Start.
Good day everyone, I am Alvin Paraza.
I am John Andre Morgentes.
I am Gabriel Ternopa.
I am Ramnandi Magutario.
And we are the Five Archers.
In summary, the survey respondents generally agree that while technology has the potential to improve lives, its current trajectory may be increasing global inequality. They suggest that addressing issue of access, skills, and policy support can help ensure that technology benefits everyone more equitably.
So these are the results. The study measured how technological advancements such as automation, artificial intelligence or AI, digital platforms, and innovation affect global economic inequality. It examined differences in income, job opportunities, and wealth across countries and analyzed whether new technologies reduce or widen economic gaps. The study gathered a total of 50 responses. Our own idea to create a Google questionnaire to have our own basis, which provided information on participants' views and experiences regarding the impact of technological advancements on global economic inequality. The data reflects their opinions on how technology affects income gaps, job opportunities, and overall economic conditions.
So this is the results of our survey. Question number 1. What are the technological advancements that affects the global economic inequality? So blue, which is a 6.7% answered automation and artificial intelligence. So red, which is B, 26.7% high-speed internet and digital communication. And orange, which is C, with the smallest total ratings of answered advanced manufacturing and robotics. Green, which is D, 60% answered all of the above. So next, we ask how technology affects the gap between rich and poor. A massive 80% selected all of the above. This means the majority view technology as a double-edged sword. It both provides revenues with access to high-paying digital jobs and also sometimes widen the economic gap. So question number 3. What happens to the workers in poor countries when machines and computers replace their jobs? So blue, which is A, 33.3% they must lose this job. Red, B, 20% they may move to lower pay or informal one. And orange, which is C, 6.7% they gain new opportunities without needing new skills. And green, the last, which is D, 40% all of the above. So question number 4. Why does some countries have better access to the internet and the technology than others? Blue, which is A, none. Wealthier countries invest more in technology and internet. Red, which is B, 26.7% differences in government policies and support. Orange, which is C, 13.3% geographic challenges like remote and rural areas. Green, which is B, 60% all of the above. So question number 5. What can be done to make sure everyone benefits from new technology, not just the rich? So blue, 6.7% provide affordable devices. Red, 13.3% offering digital training and job training programs. And C, orange, some answer make policies that encourage equal access to technology. And green, the last is 73.3% all of the above. Question number 6. How does education help people to use technology to improve their lives? So blue, none. It teaches people how to use digital tools. Red, 13.3% it helps people find online jobs and opportunities. Orange, which is C, some answer it allows people to use technology safely and effectively. Green, which is the last, is 80% all of the above.
So this is the result of summarization. The survey results indicate that most students believe technology has a significant impact on global inequality. In summary, the survey responded generally agreed that while technology has the potential to improve life, its inherent trajectory may be increasing global inequality. They suggest that addressing issue of access, skills, and policy support can help ensure that technology benefit everyone equitably.
And this is our findings.
Most respondents believes many types of technology, AI, internet, robotics, affect global inequality. Students think technology often within the gaps between rich people or poor countries. Many believe that people without internet or device have fewer opportunities. Respondent thinks workers in poorer countries may lose jobs or shift to lower paying work. When machines replace them, they also believe countries have better technologies, access because of wealth, government support, and geography. Most agree that improving access, providing training, and educating people can help everyone benefit from technology, not just to be rich.
This is our research references.